have to talk quickly because I'm at work. I want to give a quick update. My computer's been acting up. It's been turning off on me randomly, and then when I put it in charge, it turns off. Um, Here's somebody coming in now, so forgive me if I have someone speaking to me. But they just got me a new laptop. Uh, Bought a 1200 Air Mac, but I wanted a Pro instead. But I got the Air Mac. Hey, what's up, man? How you doing? Yeah, I got you. Go ahead. Yeah, they've been doing that now. They don't want no one parking in the 15-minute anymore.
How long was 15 minutes?
Yeah.
But I was there for a day and a half because I had the white car.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm writing my name.
Oh, I looked out the window, I just got out of bed. I said,
Yeah.
fuck it, I hope I'm not booted.
Yeah, they've been
Okay.
they've been on their
Well,
bad
I'm
issues.
glad. See, I didn't come down here last night for the meal either.
Okay.
So once I move it and put it back someplace else, I'm good with that.
Yeah, you should be good with that. Yeah.
Fuck it. I said, Jesus Christ, I looked at $70.
All right, go ahead. Yes. So yeah, I bought me a laptop. I bought me a laptop at Best Buy for like $1,200. Really grateful to have gotten it because it was nice. I wanted to get the Pro. The Pro that was $1,800. It has an M4 in it. My friend was like, "Fuck that! Just get the M3 or the M2. It has M something on it." But I got this one, and I'm really grateful that I got this new laptop. He's like, "Just save the money. You're gonna need the rest of the money." It was like a $600 difference. He's like, "Just save the money. You're gonna need the money in the future. Blah blah blah. Don't worry about it. Just get this." And I was like, "All right, man, whatever. I really want the Pro, not the Air. But hey, it is what it is." So now I got a new laptop. Um, and
I don't have that in the hole, no?
nah, it's all good.
No,
Yeah.
fucking bad. No, I left it here for a day and a half. So.
Okay. You want me to throw that away for you? Yeah. Sorry about that. I'm at work, so I'll unlock it for you. I'm at work now, so it's like I get a lot of people talking to me, but I'm gonna make this video as quick as I can. I went to school yesterday. Was in school looking for for stocks to trade on my scanner. All right, enjoy. I seen this one pulling back. I was trying to get it in here, but I didn't do my research in time to quickly buy it here and sell here, and I was hesitant, and it spiked, and then I chased it, as you can see. For some reason, my VWAP isn't here. I'm gonna add my VWAP so you can get a better understanding. I hate how it's very difficult for me to use this.
So this is good tomorrow, right?
Yeah, it's to the 11th. I put it for the 11th for you. You're welcome. I need my mouse. Hey, how I can. Yeah, I was trying to get this stock, and I think it was like above VWAP the entire time, or maybe that was the other stock. Let me see here. Now I'm connected to the mouse, can drag better. So I like to use mouses over the pad because the mouse is more, you have more control, faster movement. Hey, good morning. So as you can see here, I chased it. I hate when this chart does that. Show the damn shit. I hate when it does that. So I'm gonna keep it on the 2 minutes since it's acting up. So I was trying to get in here, and I know it doesn't look like it's a big difference, but as you zoom in, you realize my average. I was trying to get in either the 225 level. I ended up getting here around 25% higher. So I was in mid range because up here was. I remember now. I was in mid range of just trading. That's why I knew I had to sell quickly. Um, I'm trying to go by at or near lower day. Um, there was a 50-cent range. I bought in the middle. So I'm practically chasing it, and my risk is high. So knowing that, I told myself I had to sell quickly. I was in about $2,000. So you do the math. 225 times $2,000, and that's how much shares I had. Um, and with me knowing that I bought high, I was in fear that it would pull back quickly. Even though I shouldn't be trading with fear, I knew that I was at a high risk, and I'm like, hey, there's a possibility it's going to go against me because I'm chasing it and I'm buying mid-range opposed to the lowest point possible to sell at a higher point. So I was like, I'm up 5%. It was fluctuating. It wasn't giving me that straight up jump like I wanted, but not all stocks are going to do that. So it just spiked up, went higher, got to VWAP. It was struggling. I know you don't see it here, and I would love to show you on the 1 minute. It was struggling to be at VWAP. It was struggling. Um, it sucks that it's not showing the whole chart. I would love for it to show you, but it was struggling at VWAP. It was struggling at VWAP, and uh, then I just was like, okay, I know at or around VWAP, just draw a circle and use an imaginary circle at or around VWAP is going to struggle. So when I sold here, it was struggling already, but I was like, I want to get at least over 5% um, of my investment because that's my target goal. 5 to 10% when the markets are slower a bit. I'm doing 2 to 5%. Um, so I sold here. As you can see, it struggled. It didn't go any much higher past VWAP. It didn't go any much higher past VWAP. Um, it went from the 280s to it went from 280 um, to this higher point of 320. So 40 cents difference, but it was struggling. And as you can see here, it came crashing back down. Then it started perking up, got back to VWAP, came crashing back down, got back to VWAP again, passed it more, passed it a little bit as well, and then came crashing back down because VWAP is that range where people buy and sell, but it's a resistance point and it's not a support point. People are trying to take their gains. So after that, I was done trading it. I should have continued like being less emotional about it and trading it, but I just was. And I wasn't comfortable. I didn't think it would hold and keep going. Um, I was too worried about protecting my account, and that's okay. It's okay to protect your account, but you have to know. Eventually, you're gonna have to build that development where you're like, okay, you're not so. I'm not so much emotional um, when it comes to protecting my account, and I'm just being disciplined to cut losses. So I didn't get back in here. I didn't. I thought it was just gonna dump from here, but it kept going up, 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 up. Um, and eventually, it just did its thing and came pulling back. I was in class at this time, and I was watching it even here while I was in class, and I just I did my thing and I got out, and I made $133. Now this other stock, GSIW, and I forgot to show this right here. The dilution tracker information on CDT. I also signed up for dilution tracker as well, $600 for the year. I like it, but lately it's been like iffy. Like I put in the ticker symbol and it doesn't come up. I'm starting to not trust this stock too much, this website too much. Um, it's like I would type in the ticker symbol, it won't pop up, but then it has it right here, and sometimes it would um, like give me the actual stock. Like right here, it's loading. Let's see what happens here. It's saying nothing. That's weird. Let me try a different stock. GISW. Okay, GSIW, not GI. GSIW. Let's see if this pops up. And nothing. It's like it's weird. It's just been acting up lately. I don't know if it's my computer. I don't know if it's I don't know what's going on, but it's been acting up. I might call and cancel because it's like they're not showing me all the stocks. They need to fix their bugs, um, their issues with this damn website. I'm not gonna pay $600 just to get half of what it's worth, or less than what it's worth, less than half of what it's worth. But with this stock, I was trading it while I was in class as well. Um, 2 minute, it's just not showing. So I'm kind of glad I got a new laptop because um, less less bullshit is to be expected. But this stock right here, it was just basically damn near above VWAP the entire time that I was trading it. It just had this moment where it's under VWAP, and then these two moments where it's under VWAP. But when I got in, it was around the 50 cent. It was up around 50%. As you can see here, it was up around 50%. Now, I could tell it was going up. I think I went in around 10K in the share trade. I didn't want to, but like I know I shouldn't be doing it, but I'm like I could see this as a low flow. This is gonna run. I can't remember what the SEC filings were saying because the fucking website's not popping up, but it was basically um, looking pretty good. It looked like a low float. I think this was the stock that gave me green across the board, and it gave me green across the board, and excuse me. gave me green across the board, and morning, and I was just a little too scared to trade it. I longed it here. It pulled back on me. I was down a few $100s, but I was just waiting. Added when it saw that it was going down some, but I didn't get the perfect add. Like it went down like this. This is a bit longer than what it was, but it went down like that, and then it came back up, and I was trying to get in it here at this point. I hate when it does that. It was um. Give me a second. I gotta make a quick phone call. But yeah, it went down and it went back up. And it gave me some chance to get in at a lower point. And then I was trying to take this lower point, but it just spiked back up and it went even higher like that. Hey, do you have a company name by the name of Harvey Tees, something like that? Avery Tees? Is that the name of the company that's delivering it? Haverty's, yeah, they're here now. I'll guide them to the where to park. Okay, thank you. All right. Um, so, okay, how are you? Can I have you go past that garage on your right hand side? Go past it.
Okay, but the north side?
Yeah, and just go inside, and then I'm gonna open this garage for you to come in,
Okay.
and you're gonna go through the garage, and then there's gonna be through the loading dock, and then you can break it in from there. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna open the gate. Don't go in the gate, but go past it. Go forward straight. Yeah. How are you? You're good to go. You're gonna go through this door right here. Elevator's on the right. Okay. So then eventually just spiked up here, and I sold immediately because I hit my target goal of 5%, and I was already buying too high anyway. Have a good morning. I was already buying too high anyway, so I was just like, um, I don't want to stay in this any longer. So then after that, I seen an opportunity to get in here, here. I don't know what's going on with this damn thing. I was fearful at this point. Yeah, I'm good. How's everything going with you? Yeah, everything's good. No, just furniture being delivered. And I was just fearful to get into these points. There was like 3 different points. Here, here, here. It was like from here to here. There was like 3 different points I wanted to get in, but I was too fearful because I'm buying over VWAP high day. Especially here, I was thinking about buying, but I kept anticipating that it was going to drop. And for the first 2 to 3 times, um, it went up even higher. But I'm like, bro, I got to be disciplined. I know this is the green across the board, a low float, but it's coming from like the 50s, 49s, 50s, mid 45s, mid 40s, all the way up to what a high day was 125. But I'm like, man, it's been up over VWAP this whole time, no real chance to get in. I didn't want to get in these points, so I just stayed disciplined and didn't get in. Then after that, the last 2 times that I was like anticipating on getting in, it's panicked down. Like right here, it came down a little bit, and then this one it panicked down, and I was like, all right, good. I didn't get in. Now around this point, I wanted to get in, but I was just like not sure, not comfortable. But then I looked back and I was like, when it went up like right here, I was like, oh, this was actually a confirmed entry. But you never know right here. You never know when you're buying near low a day where to get in, and I just wasn't comfortable. Um, Low day is actually right here, starting at 9:30. But I was gonna play this here and ride the wave, but I missed it. And then when I missed it here and it pulled back, I'm like, okay, how far can it really go? Then when it bounced from here from 80 all the way up to like $1, I was like, ooh, that's 20 cents per share. That's 25% of its value. I could have That was pretty good, but I just didn't get it. And I wasn't comfortable. I'm still getting used to this. It's my first week on live. I'm trying my best not to go hard, not to go deep into trading, um, because I'm still getting used to it. So overall, for the week, I came out $3,300 for the week. Um, I came out $3,300 for the week. Um, could have been 5 grand or close to 5 grand, but I didn't. I wasn't disciplined on my 2 trades, and I ended up taking $1,000 loss on each. Now my main focus is to be as disciplined as possible and give myself no excuses and no reasons to fail. Um, I want to make sure that I give this all that I have, and I want to make sure I give this all that I have, and any potential issues, if I can nip them in the butt, get rid of them, I will. So that morning, how are you? So that I am able to trade at my best with no restraints, no issues, no technical issues, nothing. That's why I went and got me a new laptop. And I'm like, I don't want to be like, oh, my laptop died on me. As you can see, it's at 37% now. It just moved. But its shit dies really quickly. It turns off and on randomly. I don't want to be like, oh, I wasn't able to be successful because my laptop wasn't working, or I wasn't able to be successful because I don't have internet now. So I'm driving to school. I'm driving to coffee shops. I'm trading, but coffee shops are a bit distracting. So um, I don't want excuses. Oh, it was too loud. I can't focus. No, I want no excuses. I want everything to be. I want to remove all potential distractions and problems and give everything I got. Right now, a potential problem distraction is the fact that I'm not working, or I'm going to be not working soon. So that will be a potential issue. But with me making money and trading, that can wipe it out. So I'm still looking for a better job or another job, but we're gonna just keep going from there. But as of that, I really am just. I'm glad that I'm up three 3,300 for the week, a little bit over that. Um, I'm getting better at it. I'm gonna keep getting better, and just I gotta keep performing. Um, I gotta keep performing. Today's Saturday. Um, I'm gonna succeed at this trading stuff. It's just a matter of, you know, improving every area. God forbid I blow up or I don't succeed. Um, I can go back and look back and be like, where did I make my mistakes? I want to document every single mistake possible and nip them all in the butt so that when I look back and I look at a list of all the things that I made a mistake on, I'd be like, all right, I can pinpoint exactly what was the problem and focus on it. Um, I'll, God forbid I blow up, I'll go back to work, grind for 2, 3 jobs, 6 jobs like I'm doing, like I was doing now, and then go stack up the money and give it another shot. Um, that's what I'll do. So uh, that's it for today. Um, I'm gonna transfer all my videos and everything to this to YouTube, and then this laptop should be clear. Should have an M2 or M3. I really wanted to get the M4, but it's not in my price range. Although I can afford it, I don't want to do that until I'm financially established. Thank you guys.